ọma ebunye yenu si ajide nke oji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ga-adị Eze-Ana ugochitubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma anyị ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma anyị ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị ugochitubelu ga-adị ugochitubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erighị anyị front and back ndị oche eli anyị front and back faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. It's me, Ogbuefi, and ugochitubelu, oraifite. For those of you that are seeing me today for the first time, call me Ogbuefi and ugochitubelu, oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, deep consultation. Nụkwazi ọlụ mmụọ dị iche iche and other spiritual works. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration evangelical mission bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, our today's topic is a very unique one. Today's topic is 21 days rituals and the spiritual exercise. Pay attention to you. Pay attention today. You will learn all those basic things you need to know as a newcomer, as a new adherent to Igbo spirituality. Believe in me, what you will learn today is the basic, one step by step, what you must know and what you must do as a first time comer. Pay attention today, you will learn something very unique. What you can do is to share the link. Invite your friends and well-wishers so that they will hear from the horse's mouth. Today's lecture will not be long, but if you pay attention, you will learn something that will be very unique and will save you so that you will not fall a victim. Let's proceed. Today is August 1. We have started rituals for the month of August, group rituals. This morning, before this program, I have gone to the temple to make declarations, to pray, to speak positivity into the lives of those that join us in this month of August. Our monthly ritual is group ritual for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. We have lots of testimonies, but we don't show testimonies on social media or in Ezeoku TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we are here. The only thing I can tell you is that there is power in this group rituals. We started this group rituals almost 3 years now. By November, it will be exactly 3 years we started it. There is this group of people that have been following us from that day one till date. In fact, some people normally even book every January, they book throughout the year. So if you are interested, chat me on WhatsApp. What you will do to join is to forward your 3 prayer requests. Then make token donation to the account number. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I will tell you other details we need for you in order to book you. Like yesterday, last day of July, we went to the stream to offer sacrifices with eatable things on behalf of all. And we came back to the temple to offer sacrifices, goody ram and saraka on behalf of all. Yes, I can tell you there is lots of testimonies. Yes. So if you are interested, you want to join the month of August, you can still join. And distance is not a barrier in our spiritual works in the temple. So if you want to join, chat me on WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests so that you can join. Yes. My WhatsApp number is 0805. If you want to join or you have any question in today's lecture, WhatsApp me 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. Let's proceed. Yes. Remember today's topic, 21 days rituals and spiritual exercise. Pay attention. Some of these things you have been running from pillar to post, from one spiritualist to another, from one pastor to another, from one dibia to another, can actually be solved by these simple rituals you can be doing by yourself. Remember, in my teachings, my mission is to tell you all those things you can be doing by yourself. I say insist that as an ordinary person, you have the capacity to be doing 70% of your work. It's only 3% that your spiritualist can be doing for you. And what I'm about to teach you today is one of those things you can be doing by yourself. Spirituality, you are not supposed to be spending money much on spirituality. Why you are spending money is that 100% of your spiritual work is done by the third party. Now, if you are capable, maybe you are living abroad, maybe you are some of the high-profile personalities, you can actually afford the services of third party. Yes, but I'm talking to those people that can't afford those third-party services. Makanema, if you know even if you ask me to perform some of these sacrifices that I can do for you, you pay. You know why? Because if I do that work for you, from the money you paid, I will still use money from there to do sacrifice to my forces that joined me while doing that your work. From that money you paid, I will still take out some money for saraka, as I normally do. Are you following? But if you can do those work by yourself, it will be cheaper for you. That is the fact. Are you following? Then, sorry. Then, but if another person does those work for you, you pay. Remember, but if you can afford those services, so be it. Like my humble self, I know. Over how many years now, I don't normally wash my clothes by myself. Yes. Because I can afford the services for another person to do those ones. But I still remember when I was growing up, I do those things by myself. So I use that one as an example. But if you cannot afford those services of third party, learn how to do it yourself. Then my admonition before I proceed to today's lecture proper. There are some people that normally preach some certain things that are not Igbo spirituality. Let me tell you. I went to social media the other day. I saw some people bragging that they do charms, that they do charms that do charms that 4 days their charms will start working, we bring money to you, do this, do that, just so many claims. But let me tell you one thing, you as a novice, the person that is telling you that he give you money, dog the person who billionaire. The person na ebinye gi ike se gi bia ga ewo oru owu na ya ga ebinye gi ike ki we gbawa Lamborghini ona agba Lamborghini. The person na se gi bia ka obinye gi ike ki we gbawa G-Wagon ona agba G-Wagon. The person na se oge bia ka eme ogaranya midnight ogaranya 4 days. Now don't we opo ogaranya inekwara ya na compound ya. In a way, the compound, the man on the new honey world. Yet we have because of any seekers. Those people that came back to Ordinary. To have a fall victim. Ordinary is not all about a war. Ordinary is not all about magic. So if the primary purpose of coming back to Ordinary is to ibutike, then no more able billionaire. You have missed the point. And if you keep this mindset, you will fall a victim of scam. Are you following? Why I'm calling you to come back to your root is to align yourself with your spiritual forces, to be at peace with them, so that once you are at peace with your spiritual forces, your ancestors, they will stand by you, so that they will help you to give you vision and knowledge which you can apply for your own betterment. Now, whether may gabu sorry, whether may gabu billionaire, whether may gabu millionaire, obasi nachi, obasi nakara. Obro na chi ga-edere ọrụ gị na ị ga-abụ billionaire. If you like, were ego niile ị nwere jee laa na be nna gị, were ego niile ị nwere jee gwọọ ọgwụ, ụdị ọgwụ ọsọ ya bụrụ, ọsọ ị gwọrọ ekumeko, ị gwọrọ oke ite, ị gwọrọ ụdị ọsọ gị bụrụ, you can never be billionaire. Ọ bụrụ na edere ọrụ gị na ị ga-awụ millionaire of 100 million, if you like, mee ihe niile mee ntamimo, it can never come. Instead of that money to come, one sickness, one problem, carry consume that money, get ensure that you need about the money on up. Because I put go the matter, but I be sure no one is able to. Woroku nke one mother, one can mad Mary. Advice and negative go but would kick at able victim so that you will not fall victim. Because you might fall victim because you don't understand how things work. Why I'm calling all Africans, all Ndibo, to come back to your roots is for you to be at peace with your ancestors, with your ancestral forces, with your spiritual associates, so that they will always be at peace with you, give you the knowledge and vision that you will put into work, and things will be better for you. Not necessarily because of material things. Are you following? Because if you understand how things work, you know the do's and the don'ts. You know the natural things that you must avoid and what you must do in order to better your loss. Not necessary for you to be billionaire. Are you following? So, then our work is a different thing, they entirely different from Igbo spirituality. Here in the better, why I'm here today is to teach you those Igbo spirituality, what is important, how you can be closer to your spiritual being, how you can activate that in your inner self, how you can be able to connect yourself with your spiritual forces, and how you can connect yourself to the spiritual world. Because as a human, you have the ability to change some certain things by the spiritual strength given to you from above. So what I'm about to teach you is what you can be doing by yourself to grow spiritually. It's like for you to learn the tricks, the skills of how you can be able to maneuver in this world of gross material. Yes, because if you know how to swim, you can never be drawn in the river, unless if there is another thing attached to it. If not, on a very good day, you will notice the story and how Junior Pope died. Yes, Junior Pope died for the fact that he doesn't know how to swim. Yes, because we have some of the accounts that even the driver on that particular boat, that fateful day, swim to safety, even save somebody. Are you following? The same thing in spirituality. So why I'm here to teach you is the basic things you can be doing in order to understand the spiritual terrain and how you'll be able to protect yourself. So pay attention. So if you don't like what is happening to you and you are angry about your current situation and you want to change it, pay attention, give me your ear. What you will do, go and look for foolscap. Go and look for foolscap. You're supposed to have your altar. You're supposed to erect your altar in your house. But if for any reason, because where you are living is not conducive, or maybe you are squatting with someone, or because of one reason or the other, you cannot be able to set up your own altar, fine and good. Listen, let me tell you what you will do. But if you have your altar, better. But if you don't have, it's still okay. Pay attention. What you will do, first of all, even if you have an altar, make sure you erect your altar in the east. In the east. How will you know the east? If you come out in your compound in the morning, between 9 and 10, look around, see where the sun is coming from. That is the east. So come inside your room. 4 corners of your room will also face the east. Where face the west, north and south. So that 4 corners of your room face the east, face that side. That side is the east. Assuming you want to be inside the room, erect your altar there, so that whenever you stand in front of your altar, you are facing the east. But for any reason you don't have altar, always whenever you want to pray, face the east. Are you following? Anytime you want to pray, face the east. How will you do this? Having located east location, set here a time of your choice. It could be morning, it could be afternoon, it could be night, any time of your choice. A time that you know that you will be at home for the next 21 days. Are you following? I said for the next 21 days, you know you will be around. Now, for the fact that you know you will be around in the next 21 days, see what you will do. Go and look for foolscap. Write your 3 prayer requests on that foolscap. Number 1, number 2, number 3. And don't write too much so that it will not be much. Then write the date you are starting. Then write the date the 21 days will elapse. That's the end of 21 days. You write the date. So if you have your altar, look for, or even if you don't have altar, look for maybe 200 naira. 100 naira is poor now, because of 100 naira cannot even buy anything reasonable. Even beggars, if you give them 100 naira, they will not appreciate you. So look for like something like 200 naira. Yes, up. So if you get that 200 naira, look for 4 notes. Look for 4 notes. So if you are putting 200 naira, put like 4 200 naira notes. So having put that 4 200 naira notes. So what you will do is this. Well, that note, those 4 notes in water. Tinye any me full scap. Eba with your prayer request. Ega abegi haja. Then fold it. Aboni nwere altar. Tebe any no altar. Aboni nwere any altar. Maybe in nwere handbag. Or any only ye boni get here. Before do ye in where wallet in kwa kitinye na wallet. Then set the time of your choice. Ihe agba agba ka gị na ụmụ mmụọ chọrọ ịka. Mgbe gị na ụmụ mmụọ ga-eji na-abịa na-akparịta ụka maka ọdịmma gị. So assuming now, you choose, let's say 3 a.m. nke agụ ụtụtụ, ma ọ bụ choose any 3 a.m. in the afternoon, or you choose any time of your choice. Any time of your choice comes. He ga-eme like ọ bụrụ ọmụnwa. And may choose, or not 3 a.m. can choose. May choose like 5 minutes to 3. Or 5 minutes to 3 hours. I'm busy. You will most orgy to child. Yeah, our one neighbor will not give the working and week here. Have a bat. It's a rogue. Abu one name as a warrogue. I won't even week a quack a quarter to quack. Man, ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ike, assume na ị na-eme in the morning. Man, ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ike ịsa ahụ better. Ọkwa na ị nwere ike were ose ọjị jụchaa ahụ gị, ịma ka isi ajụcha ahụ n'ụkwụ ya. Jụchacha ahụ gị, ụdị ose ọjị, aka gị n'ụkwụ jụchacha, ime n'isi gị 4 times. Ihe ọbụla bụ otu ọbụla ị metalụ, afịa na ụbọchị na anọ. Ị chọọ ebe ihe dịka ebe fence dị, tụpụ ya bụ ose ọjị. Remember that also the seed is still carrying your prayers. So ebe ị ga-atụpụ ya wee ebe ọ ga-adị close to wall, ebe mmadụ enwere ike ịngafe ya ụkwụ. Especially nwaanyị nọ na nsọ. Ọ nwefe that ya ose ọjị tụpụrụ ụkwụ, o mege ya invalid. So ịtụpụ ya close to the wall, ka abụ ofu. Ị gazie ebe ị na-anọ were oche iji anọ nọrọ ana, face the east. Kpọkuo chi onye ụwa gị, kpọkuo Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, kpọkuo mmụọ niile gị na ha so. Kpọkuo ndị iyi ụwa gị, ndị otu gị, ndị mmiri gị, ọ bụrụ onye mmiri ka ịnwụ. Kpọkuo all the forces so gị. Kpọkuo ndị ichie ebe nne gị, kpọkuo ndị ichie ebe nna gị, kpọkuo ndị agwụ gị, kpọkuo mmezumezu mmụọ niile so gị na ha so. Ndị ilotara. Yọzie ha sị ha biko onye akpọrọ ya megide ya kpọọ ibie. Ọ bụrụ na imesịa etu anwa, pay attention. Ọ dị very important n'ihe a na-akọwa. Ọ bụrụ na ịkpọkucha ha iwee yọọ ha sị ha biko. Example, tata bụ ụbọchị nkwọ, na taa ụbọchị nkwọ ka ị bịakwa ka gị na ha nọrọ ya. N'ihi na ayọ ha sị ha biko, n'ihi na ekele ha maka nke ha mere eme. Na-ayọkwa ha ka ha merụ na-aga n'iru. Gwa ha na ikpọtago, na ịnatago na be nna gị, na ikpọtago ka gị na ha lụkọ. Ma na ọnọdụ gị, n'ihi na ayọkwazi ha ebe ọ bụla isi mejọ ha biko ha gbaalụ. Ịyọcha ha mgbaalụ, n'ịnwe nwata na-asa ahụ n'afọ. Yọcha ha mgbaalụ, iwe yozie ha sị ha na ihe na-ayọkwara ha bụ ebe ọbụla isi mejọ ha gbaalụ. Ịyọcha ha nke ahụ, nwa yozie ha ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ịyọ, mana chetakwa etu esi ayọ ayịyọ. Yọọ ha sị ha na ị chọrọ ịpụta ihe, na ị chọrọ ịbụ solution provider, na ị chọrọ ịbụ onye a ga-esi n'aka ya gozi imirikite ndị mmadụ. Nke ọzọ bụ ị na-ayọ ayịyọ, ịyọ na selfishly. Ị na-agwa ụmụ mmụọ na ị chọrọ ka ha bunie ego elu, ka ha mee ego odogwu, ka ha nye gị ego. Gwa ha ihe ị chọrọ iji nyaba ego wee mee. Gwa ha ihe ị chọrọ iji nyaba ego wee mee. Ị ghọtara ya? Yes. Mgbe m bidoro, ayọrọ m ụmụ mmụọ sị ya na m echigatago na be nna m, na m abịatago ka m bịa jee ozi a. Na ihe nna ya ọ bụ ha nye m nnukwu ego. Ego m meji bi ndụ, ego m meji zụ ụmụ, ego m meji ime ọgọ, ego m meji gbasa ike ọdịnala Igbo. nke bụ eziokwu na ha nyere m ya. And mụnwa na onwe m on my part, those nkwa niile aha ihe anwa m yọrọ ha, ihe anwa m bụ n'obi m gwara ha nye m ego a na m eji ego ndị a wee mee ya bụ ihe a ka m ji ego a eme ka m were onwe m atụ. Since I asked them to give me money, that I will use this money judiciously, that I will use this money to help people, that I will use this money to propagate Igbo spirituality, and I'm doing it. Today, I spent a huge amount of money for ordinary Igbo propagation. As you all know, the temple owns Ezeoku TV, and we spend a huge amount of money monthly to ensure that Ezeoku TV is still on the air. I create out my time daily to teach about Igbo spirituality because it's my promise, and believe in me, before I came to Eze-Ana, Omomo has been doing great for me. And once I promised them that if they bless me, that I will bless others, and I have been doing it using our foundation. So what am I saying in essence is this: pay attention to your spiritual life. So tell them what you want from them. Tell them what you want to use that money and that blessings to do. After doing this, then make declarations. Speak positivity into your life. Cancel whatever you don't like that is happening in your life. N'ike Chukwu. N'aha Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Example, n'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, na nna kansụlụ ihe ọbụla na-ebute uke, na nna kansụlụ negativity, na nna kansụlụ ọnwụ ike, na nna kansụlụ ịnachighị azụ, na nna kansụlụ anything setback. Speak, make declaration upon your lives. Cancel every negativity you don't like in your life. Then speak positivities into your life. Then, after that, ask them that you have said it all, the ones you can remember, that please they should bless you abundantly and give you unmerited favor. If they know all those things that you need in order to be great, they should please let you have those things. After saying your mind and making the declaration, pause a while. Ask them, what do you want me to do? Having said this, pause a while. Then listen to your inner being. Believe in me, if you do this meditation very well, you will receive message. Know it. There are some people that clairvoyant, clairaudience, and there are some people that they can see, they can hear, and that's what we call intuition perception, intuitively. Some we hear their message aloud. Some we get the message intuitively. They will tell them in their mind. Some we even, at times you can even fall asleep. After doing so, he tells them what do they want you to do. Pause for a while, for some minutes. While pausing a while, sometimes you will be carried away. You will doze off. And you go in trance. You will be shown some certain things. It will be happening like television. That is one. Two, after you have shown yourself, they will tell you so many things. Sometimes you can even be carried away and you fell asleep. Maybe when you wake up, you now find out that you have slept like 30 minutes, 1 hour. You had a dream. And that dreams you had that time is going to happen. It's a vision. So, by so doing, you will be able to know where your strength lies. If you are a dreamer, you will be showing strength in dreams. If it's somebody that is very strong in astral projections astral travel, he can be shown something in astral travel. If you're a type that normally hear voices, you can be hearing voices. They will be telling you, remember me, everything that I do in the temple is instruction I normally get after spiritual exercise. Yes. Is that during that spiritual exercise you will get that inspiration to be doing this, to do this sacrifice to Mother Nature, to do this. In business wise, I remember when I started my business, during this spiritual exercise, I was informed that I should go and open pure water factory. And I did. Now, as we speak now, we are building bakery. You understand? All this is an inspiration I normally get on a very good day. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is this. If we pay attention to spiritual exercise, you will learn a lot. So after saying your mind during this spiritual exercise, don't just walk away. Ask them, very important, is the key. What do you people want me to do? Then pay attention attentively. Believe in me, if you start to do this, you will start receiving messages. You will start receiving inspiration. You will start receiving vision of what you can be doing in order to be earning money, because you suppose, as a human being, you're supposed to have multiple streams of incomes. Whatever I do today, I will receive the inspiration and vision and ideas from my spiritual exercise. So it's not right for you, after saying what you want, you just get up and walk away. Who does that? If you are given opportunity to talk to your father, or to have the opportunity to interact with Mr. President or your state governor, after talking to him, he gave you the audience, after talking to him, telling him what you want, will you walk away immediately? The answer is no. After talking to someone that is superior than you, you wait for the person to give you a response. So, but in a term of spirituality, we don't understand. We just come in front of the spirits, entities. After saying our mind, we walk away. Who does that? This is one of the reasons why you have been asking for favor you don't get, because you are not doing the right thing. Learn this today. After praising them, asking them for forgiveness, telling them your mind, make some declaration, pause for some minutes. Ask them to tell you what they want you to do. Then listen. That is the only way you can connect yourself with spiritual forces. That is the only way you can plug yourself to power source. That is the only time you can so by connecting yourself with them, then ask them for wisdom, ask them for inspiration, ask them for blessings. So, but immediately after talking to them, you just walk away. Then how do you expect to receive that vision? How do you expect to receive that knowledge which you seek? So, know this one, know peace. After talking to them, ask them what they want you to do. Then pay attention. Believe in me, if you start doing this from now till the next 21 days, then you must see changes. It's a shock. Unless if you do not do this with all your heart. Do this for 21 days. Then at the end of that is every day. If you are coming with time, set your phone on alarm. If you come today, let's say you are using 3 o'clock, come today by 3 o'clock, tomorrow by 3 o'clock, by next tomorrow by 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 21 days, believe in me, you will start seeing changes. Remember that story in the Bible. A man, a legal luminary, there is a woman that is begging him to come and be his attorney, her lawyer. But the lawyer says, no, he cannot afford me. But when the woman persisted, the power of consistency, every day you come and knock on the gate. Every day you come and knock on the gate. Every day you come and knock on the gate. And the lawyer says, no, this woman will not allow me to rest if I refuse to come to her aid. So the same way, if you are coming to talk to Omumo, to have interaction with them every day, they will see that this thing is very important to you and that you are determined and you believe in them, their powers. Believe in me, they will give you audience. That is what you must do. Again, then after that 21 days have elapsed, some will say after doing the 21 days, you did not get results you want to. Maybe as you have 3 prayer requests, you have only 1. Repeat again. Since you have already gotten an answer for 1 of the items request, then add another item there, another request, make it 3. Continue it over and over again. I can tell you your life will change. So what you will do is, at that 21 days elapsed, go to that your prayer request, that paper, that full scrap you write your prayer request. Go there, remove that money, that 4 notes you put there. Remember, this 4 notes is for beggars, real beggars. Use that money, that 4 notes, share it to 4 different real beggars. What is important is the happiness they will have while you give them that money. That is important. It's like ihacha. Yes. You must give out in order to receive. Then, that foolscap where you write down that 3 prayer requests. Look for flat stainless plate or anything. Put that paper there. Burn it to ashes. After burning it to ashes, blow it into the air. Blow that ashes to the air. Then use that 4 notes there. Share it to the beggars. Do this repeatedly, believe in me. Even if you don't have, I'm talking to people that you have done your spiritual work, yet you have not written any positive answer. Keep doing this. Because you need to activate that your inner spirit in order to propel that your spiritual work to greater height. Now, for those of you that will say that they have already consulted AFA, but they don't have money to do the AFA demands. So what you will do, if maybe you have committed dialogue, but you don't have money to go about it and everything, when you are asking for mercy during this year's spiritual exercise, tell them that you know that you have committed dialogue, but you are sorry that that you are so sorry about it, that you are not proud of it, but you don't have money to do the needful. Promise them. Promise Yachi, you have not fed Yachi. Promise Yachi that if they will open your way, that actually the first money you will get, that you will go and do the needful. While cleansing, then feed Yachi, and do all your spiritual work gradually. If you do this thing earnestly, believe in me, they will give you money that will enable you. You receive favor that will enable you to start doing those your spiritual work, paying your spiritual debt, because this is the debt you are owing in the spiritual realm. So stop folding your hands. Things are so difficult for me. I don't have money to do my spiritual work. You fold hand. No. Keep doing spiritual exercise. By so doing, you are reminding no more. But I'm broke. You name something, I can assure you. I won't be able to be here. You get a bit of what changes. Can you see ever? In one do Nankuzia in Kowata, here Basalo 21 days rituals and the spiritual exercise. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. 0813 8243871. Obu ni mesia here endlessly. You mesia ya 21 days you want to sign for. You make you also 21 days you want to sign for. chat me on WhatsApp. Because something no smoke without fire. You are hearing my voice outside Africa. You are watching me via television channel, either Amazon, Global TV, or whatever. You are watching me on your screen, your television screen, outside Africa. Chat me on WhatsApp via Ezeoku TV. Look on your screen. You will see the number there on the screen. The permanent number there is my number. 0805-7837-672. Chat me and tell me the country you are hearing my voice from on television. I'm not talking about seeing me on social media or YouTube. If you are watching me on your television screen outside Africa, chat me on WhatsApp. In the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, I bless you all. May the power of the Creator of the whole universe liberate you, uplift you, and bless you abundantly as you are joining us in this program of evangelism. May all your heart desires be granted. Join me tomorrow on our program, Hour of Truth. Remain blessed. Eze-Ana.